College of Physicians and Surgeons of Mumbai or CPS Mumbai or CPS Bombay is established in 1913. It is an autonomous body imparting postgraduate medical education and offers 10 fellowship, 17 diploma, and 2 certificate courses. This college is located in Mumbai near Chem Hospital. It caters to doctors from all over India. The qualifications granted by CPS Mumbai allow the practitioner to register themselves as specialists in the specialty concerned, upon duly completing the tenure of 2 years diploma or 3 years fellowship and passing the exit examination prescribed by CPS Mumbai. Fellowship and Diploma. The College of Physicians and Surgeons of Mumbai offers a 3-year fellowship and 2-year diploma courses. Both the courses are full-time stipend diary hospital positions allowing the holder an entry onto the specialist register. Various fellowship courses offered by CPS are shown in below. 1. FCPS Medicine. 2. FCPS Surgery. 3. FCPS Midwifery and Gynecology. 4. FCPS Ophthalmology. 5. FCPS Child Health. 6. FCPS Dermatology and Venereology. 7. FCPS Otorhinolaryngology. 8. FCPS Orthopedics. 9. FCPS Anesthesiology. 10. FCPS Pathology. This includes a 3-year specialist training course, equivalent to MD or MS or DNB. Various diploma courses offered by CPS are shown below. Diploma in Gynecology and Obstetrics. Diploma in Child Health. Diploma in Pathology and Bacteriology. Diploma in Orthopedics. Diploma in Medical Radiology and Electrology. Diploma in Dermatology and Venereology. Diploma in Ophthalmic Medicine and Surgery. Diploma in Otorhinolaryngology. Diploma in Family Planning. Diploma in Tuberculous Diseases. Diploma in Anesthesiology. Diploma in Psychological Medicine. Diploma in General Medicine. Diploma in General Surgery. Diploma in Tropical Medicine and Hygiene. Diploma in Transfusion Medicine. Diploma in Public Health. This includes a 2-year specialist training course, equivalent to MCI recognized diploma. Certificate courses. Certificate courses is a 1-year course designed to be imparted at post-MBBS level. They are recognized as specialist medical qualifications by the Gujarat Medical Council. However, no post-MBBS certificate course is recognized by the Medical Council of India as a specialist qualification. List of such courses is as follows. 1. Certificate in Diabetology. 2. Certificate in HIV/AIDS. State Medical Council recognition. All diploma courses are recognized by 1. Maharashtra Medical Council (MMC). 2. Gujarat Medical Council (GMC). 3. Rajasthan Medical Council (RMC). 4. Chhattisgarh Medical Council (CMC). 5. Madhya Pradesh Medical Council (MPMC). 6. Odisha Medical Council (OMC). 7. Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Such recognition has sometimes been controversial. National recognition. In December 2009, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare derecognized qualifications granted by the College of Physicians and Surgeons in certain courses due to a lack of infrastructure and faculty required to run the courses. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, New Delhi MOHFW, in the notification dated 17 October 2017, recognized all the diploma courses being offered by the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Mumbai. The notification SO 3402E, in exercise of the power conferred by subsection 2 of Section 11 of the Indian Medical Council Act, 1956, 102 of 1956. The central government, after consulting the Medical Council of India, hereby makes the further amendments in the first schedule of the Act, namely and inserted all broad specialty diploma courses, 2 years courses at the post-MBBS level, offered by the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Mumbai, with the following note. Note 1. All the admissions should be through NEET PG and centralized counseling and as per government policy from time to time. Note 2. The CPS qualifications shall not be treated as a recognized medical qualification for the purpose of teaching. Note 3. Further, any postgraduate degree course to be run by the CPS shall be with the prior approval of this ministry subject to fulfillment of stipulations prescribed on the lines of minimum standard requirement regulations of MCI. 4 months after the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare had recognized all 39 medical PG diplomas granted by the College of Physicians and Surgeons (CPS), the same ministry derecognized 36 of them by a notification published on January 22, 2018. They added 6 fellowship courses on the list of courses recognized by the ministry. As of May 2020, only 3 diplomas and 6 fellowships granted by CPS are now Medical Council of India (MCI) recognized. However, this notification didn't affect the recognition status of diploma courses in the state medical councils, and all the diploma courses continue to be recognized at the state level, enabling holders to practice as a specialist. I hope this video gave you a good overview of diploma options after MBBS degree. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching.